Good morning, friends. It's Paul again. Now, during these hot, humid days, not only is it important to keep your air conditioner filters clean, I just put up a video about that, check that out, but it's also important to keep your indoor living environment free of stuff like this that's hanging around vents, like this is my bathroom fan, as well as vacuuming any carpeting areas. Of course, I've got smooth surface, faux wood floors, which are very easy to clean. Get around every day, clean pet hair, dust, etc. Is using my trusty Dirt Devil here, and I'm just going to get up in there and vacuum out that fan. All right, beautiful. Post your comments below for any other tips of keeping your indoor air quality clean. And thanks for watching.